it's your boy Open back on the screen. Yeah, I'm gonna talk today about not losing hope in yourself. You feel me? And I'm gonna talk about how great life is. I think you're never supposed to lose hope in yourself, no matter what situation you are, and no matter how hard life is. Everybody gets to take care of themselves in the recession. I hope Obama, make it better. And dreams, everybody, they have dreams, but you should follow your dreams, because you never know when life's gonna bring you. Or what you see in front of your eyes now, and that's gonna be your future. So that's why I think about, that's why I talk about. Don't give up in life. Everybody there has a dream, no matter what your dream is. Just, walk after it, no matter how many people wanna break you and stuff like that. Like me, I'm suicidal myself sometimes too, the way how life goes for me. I'm 23, my dream is to become a rapper, you know, and an actor and stuff, but I'm gonna share really personal things about myself. I'm paying for my car, my mom, I live with my mom, and stuff don't go the way how I want it to go. Sometimes I wish I was like Bow Wow and all the other famous people, and that's why, not to give up in life, because everybody got their purpose on this earth, for a reason. So always enjoy life and not to give up. Okay, peace.